threading up, about an arm's length of thread. Thread the eye of the needle, ends together, make that loop, ends go up and through that loop and pull. When you start sewing, go down into a hole. Before you get to the end, come back up, and as you come up, separate the threads and put your needle through those threads and pull so that it grips the knot. That is what I call an anchor stitch. Then you can start sewing down and up, down and up. Don't go around the edge and go up, up, up. If your thread's on this side, your next move is your needle goes down from this side. If your thread is from underneath, that means your needle has to come up from underneath. At the end, when you've finished, remember you need about this much thread in order to tie your knot. It's no use sewing all the way up to here when you've only got this much thread left, because you won't be able to turn your needle around to tie the knot. So when you've got about this much thread left, go under your last loop, whether that's ideally on the back or where you've got your other knot, pull it through, and when you do this, you've created a loop, so go back up through the loop and pull. If it doesn't feel tight, do it again. So go back under that stitch, go back through that loop and pull. Then you can cut it off, rethread your needle and keep going.